Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming this pink purple halo eye using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. So if you want to see how I get this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm first going to start off with the shade Tongue Pop right here. I'm going to, I'm going to blend that into my crease. And then I'm going to take the shade Cavity, which is the hot pink in the palette. And I'm going to blend that in my inner corner, across my crease, and then some in my outer corner. And then I want to blend it out. And when I go back in with that first Tongue Pop color and blend out this edge. And then I'm going to take an even smaller brush and go in with the shade Coma. I'm going to pack it on my inner corner, my outer corner, and then across my crease. And it doesn't really matter how much we get in the middle because we're going to be carving that out anyway, so I just want to get a nice blend. And I'm going to go back in with that pink shade and blend out this edge. And then I want to go back in with the purple and define the crease a little bit more. Right, now that we have that sort of halo effect, I'm going to take some concealer and a flat brush. And I'm just going to stamp and drag, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of shape and just kind of pat that out so that way we don't have too much in one spot. So it should look like this. And then I'm going to take the gold shade, which is called Donor, and I'm going to pop that where I just carved that out. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that purple shade again and sort of diffuse the edge of this gold and go back in and define my crease again. So now I'm going to go add some liner, lashes, and mascara, and I will be right back. Alright, so here's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!